One of the things I was terrified of when I was going through my breakup was feeling like I would never get over my ex. And I know that many of you who are going through a deep heartbreak can relate to this. It's that feeling of what if they move on and I'm still going to be stuck in this space forever? This space of pain, of hurt, of disappointment, of anger. I know the feeling because I felt that when I was going through my heartache. And now that I'm on the other side, and I feel complete with that chapter of my life. I feel healed. I have no resentment towards my ex. I feel happy where I am. Now that I'm here, if I could go back in time, I wish I could tell that past version of me to just breathe. Just relax. Take it one day at a time. Because back then, if I knew that it was going to take me a year to completely get over my ex, I would have probably found it overwhelming. I would have been terrified because a year sounds so long. But when you just focus on the day, focus on soothing your heart, making yourself feel good in that moment, a year is really not that long. And that doesn't mean that I was pining over my ex like the whole entire year, not at all. I would say that by the third month, I was already feeling like myself. But that's because I did the work. I didn't just ignore my feelings or pretend that I was okay. I was completely honest with myself, and I looked at all of my pain and my hurt and my patterns, and I worked on them. I know now that the healing journey requires you to be an active participant. Your patterns and your feelings will not just go away with time, okay? Time does not heal all wounds. It suppresses them. So if you're in this space right now, I feel you. Take it one day at a time and just know that you don't have to do it alone. Don't be afraid to ask for support. There are so many communities online that you can join for free to feel less alone. And if you want to tap these feelings and these patterns out of your system, you can join my program. It's new. It's called Healing Heartbreak with Tapping. And inside this program, I will guide you to tap through the 5 stages of grief. So the tappings will be divided into stages like denial, desperation, anger, sadness, and finally acceptance. So if that's what you feel you need, I would love to have you in there. Okay? I hope you have a beautiful day wherever you are. Thank you for watching. Follow for more, and I'll see you next time.